Oh hell.
Oh, I just heard a coyote.
Hey, hold up, put your lights down, car.
Really?
Over there. What's good, YouTube? It's Chris Rob back for a brand new video. And guess what? What are we doing today, bro? Come on.
Piping the cam.
Straight piping the cam, bro. Hey, bro, is that... Dude, are you sure this is your car? I'm pretty sure this is like fed, bro. No, this is not your car, bro. Like, bro, that's a cop car, bro.
That's not it, man. I'm just chilling.
Shit, no, yeah, but we're about to get it. We're about to get what? A straight pipe?
Yeah, straight pipe.
Straight pipe at this shop right here. We're gonna see what's good with it. But the homie Isaac, look at the drip, bro. Oh, look at the drip. Damn. It's gonna get put on the lift right now, but we're gonna do a before and after kind of dealio. Rev it up.
It's fucking loud, nigga.
Rip it.
Yeah.
Rev it.
What y'all want? You actually. That sounds fucking good.
Hey, bro.
You want a red line?
Huh?
Does it red line?
He wants to know if you can like full on rev it.
Oh yeah, you can rev it. You can do burnouts here.
Told you.
Huh? Alright, what's up, guys? We're at the abandoned airport. You ever been in Chandler and ever heard about Chandler, Arizona? It's a cool spot to come to. It's pretty nice. Got these abandoned airplanes.
Yeah, they can't really see it, but they're out there.
Oh yeah, they're all graffitied up and shit, so it's a nice place to chill out. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
You know, we out here, man, about to do a photo shoot, about to get some pictures, you know?
Yeah.
Finna do it big.
Hell yeah. You already know.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, hopefully this doesn't go wrong. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Damn.
We gonna have to burn in there before we dip.
Oh hell yeah, we finna burn them.
The hanger with the
we're gonna get
trailblazer.
some shit.
Dude, I'm getting caught up.
Yeah.
Yeah, real talk. Ghost stories tell us. We need to know. Damn, you got it, Nick? Oh, damn.
Whatever, it's good.
So?
Yo, this is crazy, bro.
That is some of you guys' Kevin.
Oh, hell no.
That would
Y'all try
suck.
going this way.
Yo. So yeah, we out here.
Look, CG4.
Arizona has really nice sunsets, really nice skies. Don't sleep.
Right there, it's kind of faded, but I don't see it.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Oh, okay.
It's the homies.
Damn, guys, we dead ass on the wing of this bitch right now.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Honestly, I'm gonna get this.
Hey, watch the glass, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Some of these windows have glass. Some don't though. Oh, hey, this looks tight, bro.
What?
Pretty. It's like eerie, you know.
Let me get in, bro. Damn, guys.
Yeah, some shit.
Let me try to focus this. Hell yeah, we straight.
You got a picture? Bro, let's get a picture.
Damn, watch the glass, bro.
I know what I'm saying.
Oh, damn. Bro, you know people shot this shit, right?
Yeah, there's bullet holes all through this shit.
Look. Easy, bro. Hey, there's still seats in here, like in like carpeting, bro.
Nah, I think this one there's a couch, bro, too.
And this one?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's on this one, G. You go all the way to the back.
This gonna go hard. You think it's gonna?
What happened?
Oh, this shit ain't stable.
I always get like just an eerie feeling in here, you know? Like, I don't know.
Like a bad vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I mean, you're
I've
not.
been here a lot of times. Like,
You're not even on the ground.
I know, right?
Feel me?
It's not even like I'm scared of anything. It's like this shit isn't even stable, you know?